Delicious homemade pizzas. This Betty Crocker pizza maker electric, 13.78 inches by 15.87 inches by 5.04 inches, allows you the luxury of creating mouth-watering 12-inch pepperoni, vegetarian and cheese-lover pizza recipes from home. This pizza cooker is a perfect addition to your kitchen. Non-stick easy to clean. The non-stick surface of this superior pizza cooker countertop makes cleanup seamless. Made of stainless steel, this machine pizza is where quality meets convenience. Make other delicious foods. Our pizza cooker affords many other delicious homemade possibilities such as quesadillas, nachos, quiches, giant cookies, pancakes and so much more. Oven-free, no need for an oven thanks to this fantastic pizza maker. Create delectable recipes without needing to heat up your kitchen and make a mess. Quality guaranteed, our Betty Crocker machine pizza offers amazing opportunities to concoct high-quality homemade flatbreads, cinnamon rolls and focaccia. Top reviews from the United States. Better than advertised or expected. Ordered the pizza maker with low expectations, with hopes that it would just cook frozen pizza similar to the oven. I have been very surprised at how well it not only cooks frozen pizza, but hamburgers/cheeseburgers, grilled cheese sandwich, oven fries, breaded shrimp, eggs, hash browns, bacon, homemade meatloaf patties, just to name a few I have tried and enjoyed eating since getting my pizza maker. It should even work as a double hot plate. Do heat up most canned goods given enough time. Very surprised by how well this product works and would most definitely recommend it to anyone. I have just purchased 3 more for family and friends.